My little buddy here is currently up for auction on Morph Market, and the auction is doing awesome at this point. There's probably going to be a little less than 2 days available by the time I post this reel. But, he's only one of two that I have available for sale this year, and the auction is rolling now. So there's less than 2 days left for your chance to get in on this awesome project and pick up this powerful male. He's growing fast, already close to 200 grams, and already taking frozen thawed.